Last aspect is the age of the fifth point. Age of the both the crust. Origin is cleared. Now, who remain older in this way? Okay. Who will, look logic, then we will discuss this. कौन सा किसका एज ज़्यादा होगा? Who will be older, continent or ocean crust? No. That's what I asked this. It's a very good question. This is older. I will explain you how. You know, whenever the plate tectonic, just listen here. Whenever plate tectonic movement is taking place, continental plates are lighter. Continental plates are what? Lighter, because made up of silicates of aluminium. Now lighter plate colliding with the denser plate. Oceanic plate is remain what? Denser. This is what? Relatively what? Lighter. Now lighter plates meet with the denser plate. Who is going to rise and who is going to sink? Lighter, when that meeting is happened, lighter plate pushed upward and the denser plate sink downward. So which plate is going to sink in this situation of collision? Denser means oceanic plate. So oceanic plate goes back into the mantle and again reappeared. So because of seafloor spreading, renewal of what? Renewal of this crust took place again and again. By which mechanism? By seafloor spread. Renewal of this. So even try to find out the age of the rocks by uranium dating or other dating methods, you will not find any oceanic crust older than I think 260 or 280 million years. Average is 162. Average is what called? 162. So that means less than what? To average, I am taking less than 200 million years ago. Why the oceanic crust able to renew itself? It's formed first, but whenever it is getting older, it again goes into the mantle, again reappeared. This process continues. So the ages of the oceanic crust is always found to be what? Less than, on an average, less than 200 million years. Oldest part of the ocean is found in the Mediterranean, east part of Mediterranean. That is 270 or something million years. So oldest oceanic crust is where? As for the study, oldest oceanic crust you can find in what called? Mediterranean में का एक part है Ionian Sea. Which sea? In the east of the Mediterranean there is one sea called Ionian. I-O-N-I-A-N, Ionians. That is the oldest, 270 million. बाकी सब less than 200 millions. Is it clear? Why oceanic crust remain younger? So this remain what called relatively what? Younger compared to the continental crust. Reason is clear. Even these facts does not involve in the NCERT properly with the proper explanation. So now which is older? Continental. So since lighter, once it gets formed, it does not go back into the mantle again. So once initial formation is late, once it gets formed, it does not go back into the mantle. So as a result, it remains what? Older. You will find the rocks around 4 billion years old too. So what is the rocks? If you want the oldest rocks you want to identify, you will not find on the oceanic crust. You will find on which crust? Continental crust. So what is the oldest rocks of which age? Around 4.1 or something like that. Approximately 4 billion years old rocks are also there. And these oldest rocks are found in the features that form the basement rocks of most of the continents called cratons. Called as what called? What is the feature called? Cratons. C-R-A-T-O-N. The platform on which the continents grows. Or also called shield. Or also called what called? Continental what? Complete name is continental shield. Every continent grows on what? Every continent grows on what? Oldest rocks. Oldest rocks of age 4 billions approximately. And that feature called as what? Cratons or also called shield. Now example, Indian peninsula is considered as Indian subcontinent. Considered as what called? So what is the oldest rocks of the entire Indian landmass? Come on, Which feature? Peninsular plateau. Which plateau called? So peninsular plateau is a shield or craton technically. So what are the new land masses around India? Come on. Like the Himalayas, plains, coastal plains, northern, all these or northeast India, all are what? New features, new land. The old land is what? The peninsular plateau of India. So you understood what is the craton in this? What is the craton in Indian subcontinent? Peninsular plateau. Rest of the other surrounding region is a new landmass get emerged. Is it clear? So you can see this. Okay, these are the situation.